Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a second row to your double crochet border. This video shows how to work it for a double crochet border, but you can also use the techniques to add it to other borders. So here are some of the materials that I used within this video. Hi everyone! So today I'm bringing you a updated video tutorial. So this one was highly requested, but it's my tutorial on how to make a double crochet border. So a lot of you were wondering, well, once I've made my first round of my border, how can I then make a second round? So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this tutorial. It's pretty simple and you're almost following the exact same things that you did for the first round. There's just a couple things that we're going to do differently in the corners, just because we're making a second round, so it's going to be a little bit bigger than the first round. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into the tutorial. Okay, so here I am at the end of my round one. So I've just made my slip stitch to connect my stitches for round one, and so I'm ready to start round two. So for round two, you're going to do the exact same thing as we did for the first round. So you are going to chain three. Our chain three counts as a double crochet. And so now you're going to make another double crochet in the next stitch. So here is our next stitch, okay? And that's where we're going to make our double crochet. All right, so now we have two double crochets in our corner. And as you can see from the previous round, that's our corner right here. Okay, you see your one double crochet, your chain three, and then your other double crochet. All right, so now just like round one, you're going to work one double crochet in each stitch all the way across. So let me go ahead and do one here with you. But just like that, you're going to work one double crochet in each stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to meet you right here when we are making our corner stitch, because that is the part that's going to be a little bit different compared to row one. All right, so I'm here at my corner, and so I've just finished working my double crochets on the side. So this is what it should look like. Okay, now I found two different ways that you could do a corner stitch. So I'm going to show you the first way. So as we can see here, we have three stitches that make up our corner. So our three double crochets. Your next step would be to make one double crochet in the following stitch. Then you would make two double crochets in the next stitch. And then one more double crochet in the next one. So you're adding one more double crochet to the corner for a total of 4. And that's it. So that's the first way that you could do it. And then afterwards, you would just go ahead and work your side row by working double crochets in each stitch. Okay, so this is the first method. So I'm going to pull this out and show you the second method. All right, so here I am again with my 3 double crochets. So you want to go ahead and work your next double crochet. So your first corner. Okay, and instead of going ahead and working 2 double crochets in the next stitch, you could also chain 1, make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, and make another double crochet in that last corner stitch. And you would end up with something that looks like this. So aesthetically, I mean, you would have to decide which method you like better. This one is a little bit more holy, but if the second round is your last round, I think it adds a nice little detail at the end of your project. And then the other one is just more closed up. So it's all based on personal preference. Okay, so once you've made your corner, you would then work a double crochet in each stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around, and then working the first method in my corners, and then I will show you how I finish off my border. All right, so here I am towards my final corner, and so I've got one more double crochet to make because I'm making 4 double crochets. Okay, so that was the first method that I showed you. So here you can see my 3 double crochets, and so here is my one that I just made. So that's my first one. this is my chain 3, and then this is my next one, okay? So I've got one more to make. So my one more that I need to make is going to be right in the same stitch where my chain 3 came out of. So I would just double crochet and make my last one in there. So it looks like this, and then I would slip stitch to the top of my chain 3. And there you go. Now you've got a completed corner. And so that is how you would add a second row. Now, if you want to go ahead and add a third row or a fourth row, you would just increase by 1 double crochet in each corner. Now, if you do find that your work is bunching or you're rounding, because we do all have different crochet tensions, don't be afraid to add an extra chain or double crochet. Just make sure to remember that you did that when you go to make your next round. But that is it. That is how you make a second round on your double crochet border. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this updated double crochet border tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer them. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next crochet video. Bye, everyone.